Welcome to another episode of Blockrevision, and in today's trade idea section I'll be talking about TERRA LUNA, and that is a cryptocurrency very famous of recent. Terra blockchain is a decentralized network that available to its users using of some features that are quite unique to cryptocurrency space, such as programmable money, that using of a very scalable network brings the speed to its transfers. Now also some features as oracles, smart contracts, and so on. Recently, Terra blockchain has completed also an upgrade where we can find that valuation of Luna, the native crypto asset of the Terra blockchain, has hit $38 billion, and that's due to completion of major network upgrade called Columbus 5. So that's a news of October 1st. Afterwards, as we can see, the price has slumped a bit. So getting back to the Columbus upgrade, what was it? The Columbus was, instead of Luna tokens being burned once in a time due to fulfilling some specific terms, right now Luna is permanently burned. It brings deflationary aspect to its blockchain. So it's the first case. The second one, and as the article says, even more important one, is the new upgrade that integrated the inter-blockchain communication protocol of Cosmos. So it brings the feature where Terra blockchain is more compatible to dApps from the Cosmos ecosystem, that brings more value to its network. However, for even better insight on what's going on in Terra blockchain, we can visit CoinGecko. On CoinGecko we can find the social behind this blockchain, and we can find that the base of followers on Twitter is growing constantly, and right now even speeding up after this recent surge in price. We can find that the speed of the Twitter followers, such as well as Reddit subscribers, is increasing little by little, with speeding up and accelerating tendency. In terms of developers, when heading back to this section, we can find that recently the Terra blockchain has noted a very intensified time of commits to its ecosystem, but right now in September this getting more and more regular. So we can find that developers now coming up to its ecosystem, and the amount of stars that meaning that lots of users are watching the commits of a programmable code is increasing, and also amount of forks and also some opinions about where the Terra is coming and where it's going is also speeding up. That is very important. Right now, let's look at CoinMarketCap. We can find it on 20th of October. We can find that there will be some vote proposition in order to enforce the inability of IBC transfers on Terra. So that's important for users of Terra, and also we can note here that if you want to participate in Terra voting, you need to possess some tokens of Terra. So that definitely will also will increase demand for the tokens, such event will definitely influence such demand. In terms of interest of trading on Luna, we can find that right now we are at the very maybe very much, but at the quite positive area where traders are counting on Luna's tokens growth. So 0.03% is typically positive, but among other blockchains it's not an outstanding one. So it means we shouldn't really care that this token might be overhyped. Let's have a look right now at where we are right now in terms of technical analysis. So on Luna we can find that we are holding strictly this 50 MA moving average, exponential moving average. So it means as long as we are holding this line, there might be a very good opportunity for us to buy. In the past, also this 50 EMA has been held, but the stock has bounced a bit more less regularly, with a tendency of having huge spikes and afterwards consolidation. So right now we can find that after such consolidation pattern we may get over to this $50 area. However, there's a strictly important psychological resistance. The whole cryptocurrency industry is watching for what Bitcoin will do in the next weeks as it's approaching its all-time high. If Bitcoin will hit all-time high and cross it, setting new ones, that would mean for altcoins that the correction is really coming to the space in terms of altcoins, of course. So for users of Luna, I would find that after this Columbus upgrade that happened right in the beginning of October, there might be some strength in order to push the Luna token right back to the $50 area. And if you find this gray line as quite strong as I do, as it also converges with this exactly resistance that might be not very strong because it has been just tested twice and afterwards has been crossed on a huge volume. Right now I would watch exactly at this level whether it will be crossed to the downside or will be held. But right now, in terms of probability, I bet there is a good position in terms of taking a bet to the upside from here, especially with this RSI just approaching this 40-ish levels, where we have found a very strong bounce where from. So right now 36 price level is a possibly reversal, temporary reversal level for Luna to Tether, and that is accessible on Binance. And in terms of target, I would watch strictly $50 right now with a trading board set like here. We can find that risk-reward ratio right now is at 3.36, that is quite decent. And also remember about setting up an alarm in terms of the price will go lower from here. If it go lower, just exit or decrease your size of position. And in terms of area of an entrance, I do find this area. So this upside bet is as valid as we are staying inside of a price range of 34.7 and also 40 bucks. So I hope you have got the tip. That's it for today's episode. Remember about doing your own research in terms of trading and investing. And right now, thank you very much for watching and see you in the next episode. And don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. And if you have enjoyed, don't remember about pushing the like button and also subscribe the channel. See ya!